a broke guy can make a woman happy. Yes, can make a woman happy, because love sometimes is not about money every time. Sometimes, guys, you need maybe attention. You know that attention is very important than giving a woman money. Other women, they are complaining about their men, that my man can give me money, he doesn't give me attention, what. So sometimes women, we don't know what we want sometimes. Other men, guys, he can say this is money, or give you money every day, but he doesn't give you attention. So women, guys, we need to balance. But when a broke guy, he is giving you attention, but he doesn't have money, sometimes you have to respect that person, because nowadays, guys, it's very difficult a man can give you attention, because they have got, guys, pressure. Men, they have pressure, guys. Oh, you saw maybe a person, maybe you sleep with that person, he's still giving you attention. It's very difficult to find a person who sleep with you and still giving you attention. It's not about money. Sometimes I can understand that my man doesn't have money, but the important is attention. Women, those women who have got money, even they are married to rich men, they are still cheating to their men, because the important is attention. Maybe their husband, they don't give them attention, what. So sometimes, guys, it depends with the people, because women, guys, we don't know what we want. When your husband give you money, doesn't give you attention, we are complaining. A man gives you attention, he doesn't have money, we are complaining. So we don't know what we want as women. But it depends maybe how much she loves you. It's not about maybe money every time, or a broke guy can make a woman happy. Yes, we know that without money, relationship is not good sometimes, but sometimes I can understand. You know that money, guys, nowadays it's very difficult to get. Nowadays it's very difficult. So sometimes, guys, it's not about maybe when you are broke, you can't get a woman. Guys, women are very desperate outside there. They are women, guys, who have got money, everything, but they are desperate, they don't have men. You know that you can find a rich woman who can take care of you as a man. So it's not about money. Those rich women, don't go to broke women. Don't date a broke woman when you are a broke guy. Date those women who have got money. Guys, women who have got money, they don't care that you have money or today you are broke, what. The problem, you are dating those girls who are beautiful, but they are broke. They are start demanding on you. So sometimes go to those people who have got money.